You know, we work with architects all the time that need to select the right acoustical panel for their project. Now, if your project requires a panel that can take abuse resistance as well, then I recommend the Tectum Finale panel. There is no panel on the market that is tougher than the Tectum Finale. Allow me to show you here that it can take just about any abuse that you want to dish out. So this makes it ideal for educational facilities particularly. So it's extremely abuse resistant, but it's also probably the most economical wall panel on the market, you'll be pleased to find out. It's highly sound absorptive as well. Tectum by itself is about the same NRC as a standard ceiling tile, but then when you put space behind it, and also what acousticians would call acoustical fluff. In our case, this happens to be from recycled plastic bottles, by the way, also. Then all of a sudden you have a product that has a 0.75 NRC, making it highly effective for cutting down the reverberation in your space. It's also available in large format panels, which gives you a lot of design freedom. These wall panels can be up to 4 feet wide by 12 feet long. It's tough to find an acoustical panel that's that large on the market, and this makes it really nice for walls of gymnasiums and projects like that. Now it's also available in the natural color, which is sort of like a tanned color, and also white. Those are the standard colors. But we can, this is available in any custom painted color if you like. And it's interesting to note that you can paint Tectum up to 6 times without affecting its acoustical performance. It's a cementitious wood fiber product, which means that it's comprised of aspen wood fibers and natural binders, but it has a lot of openness to it, which makes it gives it its high sound absorption. It's perfect for, I mentioned gymnasiums, natatoriums, dormitories, which are notorious for abuse, in other places, open spaces like fellowship halls, or projects where you have all hard surfaces and you have to bring the reverberation down. Now the wall panels can be direct mounted to drywall or concrete, but we also can use them in ceiling applications. A lot of times we'll take the Tectum Finale panel and we'll direct mount it to a standard drywall grid, for example. You can either put it up to the drywall, or you can, in lieu of drywall, you put the Tectum Finale panel up to the drywall grid. We also use this a lot going direct to structure. A lot of times if you want the look of the open deck, you can do that, and you can take Tectum Finale panels and screw them right up to the deck that's in place. So it's really a very practical product. It's understated, and it's always working hard behind the scenes to give you high acoustics. Now also it's available in a very tough fabric that goes along with the Tectum. I personally like the natural look of the Tectum, but if you want fabric you can get that. It's also, you'll note, a green product. Aspen wood is an easily renewable resource, and the binders are natural, and as I mentioned, we make the acoustical fluff within this out of recycled plastic bottles, so we're helping the environment while we're providing a highly acoustical panel. So visit shannoncorporation.com to get more information about Tectum and see a whole host of really nice job photos, specifications, and details that you need to put this on your project.